Oh yeah, no, AIT. Okay. You will tell us. You will tell us your name. Don't look back.
Don't look back. Just see.
Just that TV. Just look the television. Then tell us your name. Tell us your name and what happened. What brought you here?
My name is David Kato Shagba. What brought me here? I killed a child with a teacher, a great teacher, and this in Clear Hope School on the 23rd. So me with my friend, we demanding for ransom of 250 million. Later on, we come to settle on 3 million. When we collect the money, when we are sharing the money, my friend now, that was where we have an issue. My friend now stabbed me with knife and took the money and ran away. I now struggle myself and take myself to someone's house and tell the person this is what is going on. But I did not tell the person the truth by that time because I was afraid, because the community people may have killed me by then immediately. I was insisting of seeing police people so that they will take me to the hospital so that I will explain the whole story there better. So that was where the man said that I should wait, he will call the police to come. So when the police people now came, then took me to the hospital. After giving me the treatment, they now began to ask me what happened. I now start to narrate the whole story for them from the beginning, how we killed the woman and the baby, and where we took it and where we go and dump it. That is the story, sir.
So why did you kill the woman and the baby?
It's a friend. That my friend Sunday. His name is Sunday. It's him that asked that I should, where I'm posted in the security place, that I should look for any alternative, any place that, anywhere that I see that money, any parent or any person that I see that he has money, that we bring a solution. We will kidnap the person and go and hide the person and demand for money. I said, no, why will we kill the person? Why will not we take the person and go and keep it? He said, we didn't have car, we didn't have where to keep the person. I said, but killing the person is wrong now. He said, no. He know what we do. He will rent a truck from Aboki Malam place, this Babambola. And that was how he did. He rented a truck and bring it and we kill the people and put it inside the sack and take it to a covert and go and dump it there.
So how many people have you killed before now? Or how many people have you kidnapped?
I have never kidnapped someone. I have never killed someone. That is the first time Sunday pushed me into this evil act.
What did you use in killing the child? Is it
What?
knife? Is it
What we used in killing the child was rope. The woman also Sunday asked me to go and call her from her class, and the Sunday was hiding in the toilet. So when I called the woman, I said that I should tell her I should go and show the woman something at the front toilet so that he will come out from the toilet and hold the woman. So when I was going with the woman, he now came out from his back and he hold the woman, put rope on her neck and start struggling with the woman. They struggled with her till she was weak. Then he asked me I should run to go and carry the baby and come with him to also come and kill. I said, no, this one is okay now. So he said, no, if you didn't carry this baby, the money you demand, it will not be enough. I should go and carry the baby and bring it.
What's the relationship between this baby, this woman, and why did you choose this woman and this baby?
There is no any relationship. The woman, she was nice to me. Even that very day that woman give me 300 naira to go and eat food, and ever since before she has been giving me money to go and eat food.
Why did you now agree to kill somebody who is nice to you? The woman is how did you become friends with Sunday?
Sunday is that man that owns that school. I was working in hotel as a direct guard. So our supervisor there, his name is Peter. He's the one that first bring this bad idea of kidnapping issue to my table, that this is what we'll do. He said he have a friend, his name is Sunday. By then Sunday was not working in that hotel. That Peter was working with Sunday in somewhere else. So he now called the Sunday that Sunday should come. He have tell me what we will do. He said he was telling this life is not easy, this and this, so this is what we will do to make money. That is how he got to brought that Sunday, introduced the Sunday to me. If not, I did not know Sunday from anywhere. It's that Peter that first bring this idea of bad issue out.
Okay, now when the idea was brought to you, it means you have the mind to kill. That's why you cooperated with them. You have the mind, Abi.
So what do you want the police to do to you now?
Sir, what I want the police to do to me, I know this thing I did, I'm regretting it in my life, for the whole of my life, but even they will kill me. What I just have to say last, I'm advising the whole world and the parents, they should advise their children to keep away from bad friends and bad people. That is all I have to say. And wheresoever those people are, even I'm going to meet them, I'm begging for their forgiveness. And the people that are alive now, they should also help me to beg for forgiveness. That's he ran away when he stopped me. He ran away.
So you collected ransom and they stole the money from you.
Okay. On 23rd of July 2023, the command received a distress report concerning sudden disappearance of Mrs. Chinyere Ananene, a 55-year-old school nurse and a caregiver, attached to Clear Hope Foundation Academy, Abuja, and a toddler identified as Naneta Asa Yese, aged 1 year and 2 months. On the third day, the husband of the caregiver received a call regarding the disappearance of his wife. And the court demanded for a sum of 250 million ransom to set her free, confirming that she's in their custody. The commandant kidnapping assignment took them to location like Yewa and Uke village in Nasarawa State, using digital forensic tracking devices. A coordinated search operation was carried out. During the exercise, the team covered a distance of over 300 kilometers in the forest, taking them more than 17 hours of operation. Intelligence gathering equally assisted in our operation as we leverage on the cooperation of the native hunters, the civilian joint task force, our military counterparts for this intensive operation. Eventually, one David Moses, a security man attached to the said school, who was initially believed to be a victim of the kidnap, was arrested. During the interrogation, an intensive and scientific one for that matter, David Moses confessed to the fact that he conspired with one of his friends named Sunday Jeremiah, who is still at large. He brought Sunday into the premises of the school, hid him inside the bathroom of the school, waiting for the opportunity to strike. At the end of the day, the security man was able to lure the caregiver into the restroom of the school, where Sunday hit her on the head with a stick and immediately strangled her. Left the body there and went for the toddler. Took the toddler into the toilet as well. Killed the baby there. Sadly, even though the fact that they have been killed, the criminal used the phone of the caregiver to call the husband, pretending as if they were still alive, negotiated and collected a ransom of 3 million naira. It's important to note that after the killing, these criminals put the two bodies in a sack and placed it inside the scavenger wheelbarrow, trucked them to a canal with the hope of expecting erosion to wash the body away. That is how heartless some human being can be. David Moses took the police to the canal where the body was abandoned. The body was recovered and taken to the mortuary. But the body of the toddler has really decomposed. You can imagine the age. And has been buried. The FCT Command expresses its deepest condolences to the families of Mrs. Anene and baby Naneta. We understand that no words can actually console them or commit them into the hand of Almighty God for the care and consolation required, while we remain with them in this moment of grief. It's important to note here, gentlemen of the press, as much as the security of Nigerians remain our priority, the basic needful must be done by all. This is no longer an era of blindfold or blind trust. What we are talking about is due diligence, especially in engagement of services of domestic staff and people that work closely with us. We discovered that most of the time, we just pick people randomly to do sensitive job for us, especially our security guard. We need to run background check on our employees. The intelligence department of the Nigeria Police is always at the services of members of the public to assist in profiling anybody we want to engage. It's our service. People who take care of our babies, our drivers, a private guard too. These are people that are very close to us and they know much about us. The way we relate with them, the kind of asset we expose them to, how we display our wealth before them matters for our personal safety and security. School staff, including the principal, have been actually interrogated The suspect arrested in connection with this crime, they are there on the ground floor and will be able to interact with and interfere. We must be on the watch all the time. Criminals are always on the prowl, looking for opportunity to strike. At the end of this investigation, they will be exposed to prosecution, where law will take its course. I sincerely welcome you, and I thank you so much.